Hello my MDTD family, welcome back to another video. It is always good to connect with you, always good to share with you. I really appreciate it. Now if you have already subscribed, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I can see that we're growing. We're almost at 1,000 subscribers. And if you're new to the channel, please go ahead, hit the subscribe button. Also, please remember to like the video, right? This is very important. Put a thumbs up on the video and also share it with your friends and your family. And ask them to share it with also their friends and their family. I really appreciate the effort. I really appreciate the gesture. So this morning I have another recipe for you, a very easy dish that I'm going to prepare. So what I'm going to do some fritters, some saltfish or codfish fritters, all right? Growing up, we never used to say fritters. We say flitters. That's a big difference, all right? So I'm going to show you the ingredients that I'm going to use. Very, very simple, very nice breakfast recipe, and especially in the Jamaican culture, all right? So I'm going to show you the basic ingredients that I'm going to use for my saltfish fritters. So this is what I'm going to use. I have in my bowl here 2.5 cups of flour, all-purpose flour. I have an onion, scallion, 2.5 stalk rather. I have bell pepper, red and green. I have my black pepper, and of course the codfish. So this is all we're going to use. Now, if you go back to the ackee and saltfish video, you would recognize that it's important for us to boil the saltfish because you need to get rid of the salt. All right, so I have mine on the fire already in the interest of time, and you let that boil for about 8 to 10 minutes. All right, so this is all the ingredients that we will need for the saltfish fritters. I'm going to go ahead and prepare the vegetables. So I just need to cut them small. And I know some people use tomatoes in it as well. You can use that, of course, but I'm not going to use any in this. Let's look at the colors. I know some people eat with their eyes, right? So you want to make it attractive. Just like that, you want to cut them in fine pieces. Voila. So there you have it, right? So all I'm going to do now is to take all of this and I'm going to put it in the flour. Let me hope you can see. Now wait for the saltfish to cook. So just like that, I'm going to put some black pepper, about a teaspoon. All right, so it's just like this. Stay tuned. I'm waiting for the codfish. So the saltfish is finished. I'm finished cooking, and I'm using the deboned one, the fillet, or the fillet rather. All right, so I'm just gonna break this up in small pieces. Hope you can see what I'm doing. And once it is boiled, it is easy to break. Right? And it depends on how many people you're cooking for. You can use a bigger piece of codfish or a smaller piece. It all depends, right? So it's just like this. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to put this in the flour. So as you can see, I have all my ingredients in, and I'm just going to use a spoon and give it a stir. This is like a one-pot meal. Nice. All right, then I have about 2 cups of water here. I'm gonna pour it in. And we want to mix it into a paste. May need some more water. I'll get another cup. Okay, so for the 2.5 cups of flour, I'm using 3 cups of water. Just want to mix everything in. And if you notice, I'm not putting any salt in the mixture because of the saltfish. All right, so just like that. You don't want it too thick, and neither do you want it too thin. See? Let me hope you can see it. Right. So just let it have a very nice consistency. Make sure that you mix it thoroughly to get rid of all the unmixed flour, right? You want to make sure that everything is properly mixed out or mixed in. So look at that. This is exactly how you want to see it. Not too runny, not too thick. All right, so that's it. Stay tuned. So the next step is to fry the fritters. So I'm just going to use a spoon. Let me hope you can see what I'm doing. And I'm just going to drop the mixture in. You don't want your flame to be too high. So you want to go medium to high, but not too high. So just like that, and you just let them fry. I'll just separate them a bit. Give it a turn to see what is happening. Good. Okay, so let's just check to see what is happening here. Very nice. Awesome. And guys, if you have reached this far in the video and you have not yet subscribed, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. All right, I'm going to remove these. All right, then you just repeat the process until your mixture is finished. So please remember to subscribe. Go ahead, hit the subscribe button. This is how you help me as I share my videos with you. Remember to like the video as well. When you like the videos, then it tells YouTube that you are interested. All right, so that's it. You just keep repeating the process until it's finished. Okay guys, my fritters are all finished. Just look at this beauty. Wow. Breakfast is served. When was the last time you've had fritters for breakfast? Let me know. Mouth watering. I can't wait to try it. My children, they really love fritters. So folks, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate your kindness. Thank you very much. Remember to subscribe, like, and also share it with your friends and your family. We're so close to 1,000 subscribers, and I know that with this video you can help me to reach 1,000 subscribers. All right, so please go ahead, hit the subscribe button. That would do a lot for me. All right, so there you have it, your saltfish fritters. Man, I can't wait. And you can have this with your coffee. You can have it with whatever, you know, mint. Just look at this. Can see, I hope you can see it. Very nice. Right, so it's your yeah, your saltfish fritters. Can't go wrong with it. Try it. All right, thank you so much. God bless you. See you in the next video.